Engaging in a Healthier Diet by W.G. Summer 2009, Class HAP 290. List of constraints and causes. The first cause is to prepare a bag of lunch with snacks. Do I consider this an event? Yes. In the next 2 weeks, is it always present? No. The second cause. Eat 6 small meals throughout the day. Is this an event? Yes. In the next 2 weeks, is it always present? No. Thirdly, no junk food in my household. Is this an event? Yes. In the next 2 weeks, is it always present? No. Lastly, sleeping early. Is this an event? Yes. In the next 2 weeks, is it always present? No. This slide is just a continuation of the previous slide. It continues to question my causes, whether or not it follows the criteria used to evaluate a cause. Now we will go over the constraints. The first one, no food at home to prepare lunch. Do I consider this an event? Yes. In the next 2 weeks, is it always present? No. Secondly, dinner parties. Is this an event? Yes. In the next 2 weeks, is it always present? No. Thirdly, junk food brought by coworkers and family. Is this an event? Yes. In the next 2 weeks, is it always present? No. Lastly, sleeping late. Is this an event? Yes. In the next 2 weeks, is it always present? No. This slide is a continuation of the previous slides and continues to use the criteria used to evaluate a cause or constraint. This slide illustrates my causal model. It shows my constraints and my causes and the relationships that they may have between each other. For example, my cause to prepare lunch with snacks is related with the cause to sleep early. If I sleep early, then I will be able to prepare a bag of lunch. This model also shows all of my constraints and which causes it relates to. And in the center, it shows my main goal, which is not eating junk food. Thought experiment. If I prepare a bag of lunch with snacks and take it to work, I do not find the need to purchase junk food. If I eat 6 small meals throughout the day, I am less likely to purchase junk food. If there is no junk food in my household, I will not eat junk food. However, if my family members bring junk food home with them, then I will most likely consume junk food. If I sleep early, then I will have time to prepare a bag of lunch and be less likely to consume junk food. If I sleep late, then I will not have time to prepare my lunch, and I will resort to junk food. When attending dinner parties, I consume junk food. This spreadsheet illustrates the data that I've collected for the past 2 weeks. 0 equals no, and 1 equals yes. This slide is a continuation of the previous slides and continues to show the data that I've collected for the past 2 weeks. It also lists my causes and my constraints. On this slide, I analyzed my data. I analyzed the probability of success given the cause. The first cause, prepare a bag of lunch with snacks. The minimum is 0.86 and the maximum is 1. Eat 6 small meals throughout the day. The minimum is 0.36 and the maximum is 0.66. No junk food in my household. The minimum is 0.80 and the maximum is 1. Sleeping early. The minimum is 0.72 and the maximum is 0.80. Report of actions taken. Grocery shopping once a week gave me healthier options. It gave me the option to pack a healthy lunch with healthy snacks and gave me less of a reason to purchase junk food at work. Eliminating junk food in my household leads to success. When there is no junk food in my household, I am less likely to consume junk food, or I don't consume it at all because it's not in my reach. Sleeping early makes my days more productive. When I sleep early, I wake up refreshed, and I have time to make lunch and pack healthy snacks, so I have no need to purchase snacks at work. Eating 6 small meals is not effective. I realize that when I eat 6 small meals throughout the day, I still feel hungry and find the need to purchase junk food. Introspection. I believe that making a causal model and testing it is useful because it keeps a person on the right track. In addition, analyzing the data helps a person visualize their success and failures. It also gives a person an opportunity to see what is working and what might need modification.